Greetings, folks. I'm your friend, Teacher Sam, here to guide you in practicing short questions and answers in English using the word when. The first question we have is, when are you going home? And the response to that could be, I will go home after my work. Our next question is, when are you traveling? An appropriate response might be, I will travel next week, Friday. If a child asks, when are we going home, Mom? A possible answer could be, we will go home in the next 10 minutes, okay? Should someone ask, when does the next bus arrive? The response could be, the next bus will arrive in 5 minutes' time. If you're asked, when do you want to go to the park? You might reply with, I will go to the park in the next 30 minutes. Now, if someone inquires, when does the store open? You can respond with, the store opens at 10 o'clock every morning. In a scenario where you're asked, when are you leaving my house? An appropriate response might be, I will leave your house by next week, Friday. If someone wants to know, when will you be here? You could answer, I will be there in the next 10 minutes. Then, if you're asked, when should we meet? A response could be, we can meet tomorrow evening after work. If a guest inquires, when is the checkout time in this hotel? The response would be, our checkout time is from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. every day. If a child asks, when is your mom coming home? An answer could be, my mom will come home at 5 p.m. When someone asks, when can I see you? A possible response could be, I will see you tomorrow evening after work. If someone asks, when can I speak to your English teacher? You could reply, you can speak to my English teacher after our class. If asked, when should we leave this place? A potential answer is, we can leave this place now because this place is boring. For the question, when can I come to your house? An appropriate response might be, you can come to my house after school. If you're asked, when can I start working here, sir? You could reply, you can start working here from next week, Monday. If someone asks, when should we go to bed? A possible response is, we should go to bed at 10 p.m. For the question, when can I withdraw all my money? A response might be, you can withdraw all your money at any time from this week. In a scenario where you're asked, when can I see the doctor? You could answer, you will see the doctor in the next 10 minutes. If asked, when can I start exercising again? A potential response is, you can start exercising from the next 2 months. When asked, when can we go to the gym? You could reply, we can go to the gym from next week, Monday. If someone asks, when should I take the pills? You might answer, you can take the pills 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, and evening. If you're asked, when did you arrive? You could reply, I arrived yesterday night. For the question, when did you see her last? A response might be, I saw her 3 days ago at the supermarket. If you're asked, when did you buy this car? You could answer, I bought this car 2 years ago. For the question, when did you go to his house last? A response might be, I went to his house last week, Saturday. If asked, when did you start this business? An appropriate response would be, I started this business 5 years ago. For the question, when are you going to finish your work? A response could be, I will finish my work at 5 p.m. If asked, when was the last time you traveled to Europe? You might reply, I traveled to Europe last year summer. Finally, if you're asked, when are you planning to visit your friends? You could answer, I'm planning to visit my friends this weekend. Great job, everyone. Remember, practice makes perfect. Subscribe to this channel for more lessons with Teacher Sam. Thank you for watching and keep up the hard work.